this video, I'm going to be showing you how exactly to get the examiner impressed in the speaking test. It's Uzain from Info IELTS, where we help you achieve your desired band score in a single sitting. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video because I'm also going to be showing you how to properly introduce yourself in part 0 of the test. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. There are 4 secrets to impressing the examiners. Secret number 1, simplicity. Even though IELTS is an exam, it is just a conversation test. All you need to do is to give your opinion. Do not think that by using high-level words, you can get the examiner's attention. Most of the times when we speak, these words might not necessarily be needed to convey the information you are trying to pass across. The examiner wants to have a natural communication with you. One thing that irritates them is when they see that you are trying to be who you are not. Do not try to fake any form of intonation. Be simple in your approach to the test. Secret number 2, fluency. Fluency is the second secret to getting the examiner impressed. And when it comes to fluency, you need to understand that fluency in IELTS isn't synonymous to speaking very fast. In fact, when you speak too fast, the examiner presumes you are trying to hide something, probably your inadequacies. So they keep an eye on you. Being fluent to examiner means that you're able to speak clearly and audibly. Choose a nice pace to speak. The slower you speak, the better for you. Secret number 3, be strategic. Examiners expect that you should have familiarized yourself with what happened in the various parts of the test. Even though they are trained to interrupt candidates whenever they think the candidate is speaking more than necessary or taking time on a particular question. Trust me, this isn't what most examiners enjoy doing. They don't like it. They want you to be able to tell how long you're to speak in part 1, part 2, and part 3. They enjoy candidates who knows when to start their conversation and when to stop. One thing that will get them impressed is your ability to subconsciously time yourself such that they have no need to interrupt you. Secret number 4, good body language. Naturally, when we have conversation with people, we enjoy when they give us a positive body language. It's the same with IELTS examiners. If they are speaking with you and then they notice that you are not open to conversation, they become disinterested in the test. They get to flow well with candidates that have ability to smile when necessary, and most importantly, ability to look into the examiner's eye. That shows some level of confidence. For you to speak and look at them shows that you can hold a conversation, and this really gets them impressed. At the beginning of this video, I promised to show you how to properly introduce yourself in the speaking test. But before then, if you'd like to get those tips that got me band 8.5 in IELTS speaking test, check the video linked in the description box down below. And if you'd like to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon so as to get notified each time I upload a new video. So let's talk about how to properly introduce yourself in the speaking test. There are a lot of terrible advice out there on the most efficient way to introduce yourself in the speaking test. However, I would like to tell you that when it comes to introduction in speaking test, simple is sufficient. You do not have to say much. In the first few seconds of the test, you're going to have a question like, what's your name? Most of the times, I would see candidates trying to say more than necessary. This is not the right thing to do. When you do this, you're trying to give the examiner an impression that you can't speak naturally. All you have to do is to tell the examiner what your full name is and add no additional information. So, when the examiner asks you, what's your full name? My name's Uzain Modupe Rashidat, and you've nailed it. The examiner begins to feel like you're a normal human being, and then you can communicate naturally. That's all I have for you for today. If this video has been helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you would like me to cover any other topic, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I wish you success in your exam.